Hey guys, so as you guys complete this assignment and you're thinking through choosing your dream job, I just want to remind you that there are a few parameters. First of all, this unit is sort of like heading toward two major assignments. The first is your resume, and the second one is a digital interview. So, because you have to write a resume and you have to do a digital interview, it's important that you choose a job where you would have to create a resume and where you would potentially do an interview for it. Now, in the past, I haven't allowed certain jobs, like being a professional athlete, simply because you don't apply for that job, you're scouted for it. However, athletes have to do interviews all the time, and they still create essentially like a resume of their past experiences, etc., even if they're not, applying for a job. If they're going to be scouted by a different agency, the more impressive your past work is, the more likely you are to be, hired, essentially, you're drafted. So, um, for this, I'm going to be a little bit more flexible. However, if you're choosing a non-conventional job, it's going to be more difficult to create a resume, and it's going to be more difficult probably to do that interview. Just know that if you do choose to go that direction, you're making your life a little harder. But you know what? If that's where your heart tells you to go, I say go for it. Like I said, you'll have to get a little bit more creative when both researching for the dream job and writing your resume. But I believe in you. You can do it. Go for the gold, shoot for the stars and go get your dream. All right. Bye, guys.